me from another dimension.
Yeah. We are the same, but not the same. Kind of like a clone, but from another world. If that makes sense.
I think so. But why didn't you do anything earlier when he was with me? Well, besides the shock of seeing another version of me, honestly, I think it shows that even a me from another dimension still can't help but be with you. That's just how much you mean to me.
Aww. You mean it?
Of course I do, my love.
Okay. I forgive you.
I'm glad.
Hey, we should really try and reach out to the others before things really get crazy.
You're right.
Can I help?
Yeah, you can.
Tails?
Who are you?
It can't be. Cosmo?
You know her?
Tails! Cosmo! Tails! Cosmo! I finally found you.
Cosmo. I missed you so much.